Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the name of your playlist on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should tap on your playlist that you can find in the left side column of the screen. Tap on it, and if you want to change the name of your playlist, just simply tap on this pencil button, edit title. At the top next to the title, here you should delete it and type in the new title of your playlist. You have 150 characters, as you can see. If you are done, tap on the save button in order to save your changes, and then it will be updated, as you can see. So if you go back, you will be able to check out the title of your playlist. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.